Okay, good morning. Today we have introduction to social problems. So social problems, we have different types of problem. All types of problem we can consider social problems. For example, the individual problem, family problem, community problem, social problems. That is, we have the different types of problems. Individual problem means it affects only the individual. The individual suffer from the issue. It considers the individual problem. Next one, family problem. Family problem mostly happen within the family members, like between inmates or the parents and children and the grandparents or parents like this. So within the family, a small group of people have some issue. That is the family problem. Community problem. Community problem it affect only the small community, like a small village, or only the entire state, entire one small community people only affect because of the local issue or because of some issue. That is the communal or community problems. Social problems which affect the number of people, like a mass people, when they affect, when they feel fear, that is the social problems. Okay, so social problem is like it affect public at the large level, like a number of people, entire district or entire state, entire nation, country face issue, face problem. That is the social problems. Like we have the different type of things. And social problem means which is considered as the unfavorable, which is not good, which is the illegal kind of things, like a mal kind of things. That is the social problems, because nobody accept, nobody want, nobody use or be with that. So it's like unfavorable things of the people, or it affect the people. That is the social problems. And as I told you, it may vary from individual problem. Sometimes the individual problem also became a social problems. Sometimes the family problem also became a social problems. Sometimes the community problems also became a social problems. If the government or the family members controlled initially in the within the time, then it not became a social problems. But when the government not controlled in the initial level, it became a social problems. For example, alcoholism, drug abuse, these are the things initially it is the personal problem. It is individual problem, because only one individual or few individuals only used to consume, used to use the drugs, all those things. But slowly when it spread to a number of people, when the government also made some restrictions, it became a social problems. Same things like a dowry also initially is a family problem, because within the family the sati type of things. So within the family members, they decide, they used to do, that is the family problems only. But when it spread, when it reach or spread to number of people, it affect the public in the large level. It became a social problem. Like for example, the caste also, caste religious issue may the community problems only. But slowly when it spread to other people, it spread in the large level. They became a social problem. So all problems arise in small level only, but slowly it became a social problems. Okay, and social problems also vary from time to time and place to place. All problems are not same effect in all country or all places. For example, in India we have some problems. America they have some other problems. In other foreign countries they have the other social problems. Like country to country, place to place also, time to time also, the problem vary. Okay, for example, initially the horse theft is the problem in America, but now there is no horse ride. We have number of they have number of cars. Maybe the car theft is the problem. In India also, sati, Devadasa system, slavery, child marriage, illiteracy was the social problems. But now slowly the things are got changed. Now sati or slavery or illiteracy is not that much social problems. Now the things are changed. We have the other issues that like a population, unemployment. This is the thing considered as the social problems. So the time to time, place to place, the problems are vary. Okay. So but today all of these are undesirable, because we are the modern society. We are the modern social problems. Social problems like does not exceed society unless it is recognized by the society, recognized by the government. Okay, so when the government accept, when the government also mark the things and made some steps against that, then only consider as the social problems. Until unless the government not accept, the government not take it or give importance for the issue, it not consider as the social problems. That is reason some government, some political parties also, some issues they not take it as serious. Initial level number of state government also, like a CM or a minister also, they not consider as the issue, because when the minister or the chief minister or the some collector giving importance and they took as the issue, it became a social problem. So when the government not addressing or discussing or doing anything against the eradicate means it not considered as the social problems. Then they are doing something about the issue, that issue considered as the social problems. Okay, so until unless if they not consider, do not consider social problems. When they are considered, then it considers the social problems. For example, initially the COVID, when the COVID spread in our India, people may not take care, they not give more importance for the COVID. But now they are giving importance. So now it is the social problem. Initially, it's not social problems, but now government focusing, so it is the social problems. Like this, from this you understand, when the government focusing, doing some steps against that, it considers the social problems. We have type of definition, we have number of definitions for the social problems, like Renninghart, Walsh, Fury, Fuller and Mayer, like the number of definitions are there. The first one, the problem means which is injurious consequences and can be handled only collectively. The individual or the few people not able to solve some issues, the issues we consider as the social problems. We can handle only collectively, only group of people only can possible to stop. So that kind of issue considers the social problems. And Peyer, Walsh and Ferrari said about social problem means deviance from the social ideal. So deviance the people, it makes some disturbance among the people, and also we can solve by the group effort. Again, the same type of definition only. By collectively only we can able to solve. Individual alone not able to solve the issue. So the type of issues we consider social problems. And Fuller and Mayer said social problem means number of people are affected, deviance from the normal situation. That type of issues considered as the social problems. They may change the routine work. They may change the way of idea, way of attitude, way of behavior. Everything people will change for some because of some issue. The issue considers the social problems. And Merton and Nesbitt said social problem means violation one or more or generally approved behavior, that is the social problems, and seriously threaten the society. Number of people are feel fear, it became a threat of society. So that is the social problems. And last one, it affect the significant number of people, like countable number of people feel something, or it affect the way of lifestyle, way of livelihood. Some things will create the problems in some significant number of people. So consider as the social problems. So these are the definitions to know what you mean by social problem. Like first one, we can solve by collectively, we can solve by group effort, and it deviates from the norms and the violation of the social things, and it seriously threatens the society, and it affects the significant number of people. So these are the things when it happens, the things considered as the social problems. Okay. So characteristics of social problems, we have a number of characteristics are there. Like first one, social problem is social in origin. Okay, it starts from the society. Without society, without the social sector, the problem may not arise. So social problem, it starts in society only, because when the people are there, where the people are there, from that place only the problem also arise. So social problem means social in origin. Next one, it harmful to the society. Okay, so harmful consequences, like the impact, the effect is more. Like they may lose their life, they may lose their economic, some unexpected things may happen after some issue. So that is the harmful consequences the society will face. Like because of our population, we have unemployment, we have terrorism, we have other issues also. like this. So unexpected things are more harmful consequences things happen because of the issue. So the issue considers the social problems like COVID, unexpected things happening, harmful things happening. So it is the social problems. It not only health problems, medical problems. Now it is the social problem because it affects the mass. It affects the large people. And third characteristics, deviance from the normal situations. Okay, so the normal situation totally get changed, totally get modified after the issue. The issue considers the social problems. So you know very well, before COVID, after COVID, you know the situation, like our lifestyle also totally got changed. So people are there, different places, like work from home, online class, something that normal situation getting changed. And also number of other problems also, like at the time of independence, people have different types of lifestyle with different types of situation. But after that, slowly now totally got changed. Now we have the other issues like population, unemployment, poverty, human trafficking, child abuse, child labor, human violence against women. That type of things happen. Okay, so deviance from the normal situation, when it happen, the issue considers the social problem and caused by many social conditions. Okay, not only one reason, not only one causes, number of causes, number of things are there for the social problems. Like for any one issue, not only one reason. That is the reason we can't able to solve the social problems. If you solve one issue, maybe the other issue reason for the problem. If you solve other issue, the third issue reason for the social problem. Like this, many social causes, many social conditions play the role for the social problem. Like religious violence, caste violence, are all social problems. If you're going to solve, like unemployment is the issue, and also illiteracy is the issue, and also lack of maturity or lack of other things also reason for the caste violence and religious violence. Like these many social conditions play the role for the social problems. And interconnected, all problems are interconnected. Because of one issue, other issue also may emerge. Because of third issue, the fourth issue may emerge. Like this, it's like interconnected. One problem connected with the other problem. That is the social issues or social problems. For example, the populations are there. Population increase because of the illiteracy, because of super things are fake and the guard, all those things, and the lack of government policy programs. Like this, we have the number of interconnected is there. Like because of unemployment reason, poor education system, and people are focusing only one particular subject, and there is no capital investment, there is no proper planning by the government, there is no proper things of the state government. Like this, we have the number of interconnection for the unemployment. So like this, all problems are interconnected. One problem connected with other problem, so it became a social problems, and it affects the all section of society, not only one group. Now, if you are only one group affect, it's like community problem only. When all entire group people affected, that is the social problems. Like rich people also will feel problem, poor people also feel something or face something. That is the social problem. Like COVID, okay, because due to the COVID, all type of people are facing problems. Like they're not able to do the business, they can able to get the proper income, they're not able to do the routine work properly, they have the be in the house only. Like this, it affects the number of people. So everywhere, every people face little bit issue because of the problem. The problem considers the social problems and different impact for the different individual. Okay, because literate people or rich people may have a different impact. Illiterate, poor people, layman or the businessman or the daily wages, people have some different types of impact. So different type of impact happen, and also characteristics of social problems. The impact is not same or common for all people. They are different type of impact or different issues. There are the social problems, and require a collective approach. So we can't able to solve alone. We need a collective approach. That only we can able to solve. It are social problems. That also one of the characteristics of social problems, and it occur all societies. So we cannot say only underdeveloped countries or developing countries or developed countries. Not like that. Everywhere, every country, they have some issue. That is the social problems. For example, the poverty is there. Poverty not only in India, like underdeveloping countries also they have the poverty. Developed countries also they facing the poverty. But the differentiation is differ from one country to other country. But all the societies, all the states, all over the world, we have the issue. The issue considers the social problems. Like this, we have the number of characteristics, the nature. Social problem means these things should be there, so it considers the social problems. Okay. Next one, the reactions or attitude about the social problems. So we have 4 different types of people or attitude for the social problems. First one, unconcerned type of reactions. Next one, fatalism type of reactions, and waste of interest type of reactions, and absence of expert knowledge. Like they not care about the problems. Like this, we have the different types of attitudes or reactions are there for the social problems. Because of this reason only, the problems also raise. We can able to solve. We can able to eradicate because of these are the attitudes. These are the reaction among the people. Okay. So from the first one, unconcerned. Unconcerned reactions, attitudes means the people are not care about that. People are not consider about the issue. They not at all spend time, not at all do something against the issue. They will do their routine work. They will do their office work or family work or other routine life work. They're able to spend time. They're able to make some plan or the solution for the issues. That is the attitude of unconcerned. Okay, in your local area also, in our local area also, some issue may happen, some issue also daily happening, but we not spend time, we not focus about, we not plan about, we not write the complaint, not suggest, we not able to do something against the issue. When the people not care, not concerned, not giving importance, then we can able to solve it. It will be continue in our society. Okay, that is a reaction. That also reasons type of attitudes are there from the people. So we may have the social problems. Okay, so if we anything, we have to write the letter, we have to complain somebody, we have to collect some money, we have to solve the issue. If that type of attitudes are there, then we can able to solve it. But unconcerned attitudes are there among the people, so we are having number of social problems. Next one, fatalism type of reactions, attitudes. Fatalism means people are thinking it's like a fate, like a written in the head, something people used to feel. Okay, it may happen. We can't able to say, we can't able to change it. It may happen to everybody. So it happened to me also. Like this, they will take as it is. That is the fatalism type of attitudes. That also reason for the social problem. Like elderly, number of elderly or the matured or middle age people may have the kind of attitudes only. So they may used to tell, I played number of things in my young childhood, but I can't able to solve. So we can't able to solve it until unless the government has to do. Individual alone not able to solve. That type of attitudes is there. Some may think this is the karma of my past. So now I'm facing issue. Now I'm having so and so issue like this. They take it as the fatalism. So that type of attitudes also reason why we have the social problems in our society. Next one, wasted of interest. Wasted of interest means people are thinking like unconcerned, or the people always have the negative mindset about the social problems. Okay, so they may thought we can't able to solve it. It take a long time. It take more money. It not able to solve. We have number of issues behind that. That type of people are there. They may think that it's a waste of time, waste of interest. We can't able to solve like this. The negative attitudes they may have. It also reasons why we have the social problems in our society. And the fourth one, last one, that is the absence of expert knowledge. Okay, the number of knowledge people, they have to share the idea, they have to do some steps to solve the issue. But number of knowledge people may not share, may not come forward to solve the issue. They aware about that, but they not give any solution. They will enjoy the life like they are busy in their other work, and they not care about the society. Okay, so that also reasons we have the social problems. Like retired people, number of retired people, they have the idea about the government, like election commission, retired people, police department, retired people, IAS officers, retired IAS officers, like this, retired medical officers, like this. We have number of retired people are there. Retired people only know about where there is the lack, what we can do, how to approach, how to solve, like this. There are number of ideas. But after retirement, they will settle in their foreign country. They will spend time with their family. They not come forward. They not do anything for the society. That is the attitude of uncare or absence of expert knowledge. So without proper knowledge, also we are not able to solve the issues. So like this, we have the number of reactions, attitudes are there. Why we have the social problems in our society? So these are the actions or the reactions of social problems. Next one, types of social problems. We have different types. Like as I told you initially, like individual problem, community problem, family problem, social problems. This is the other type. But within the social problems, we have the different types are there. Okay, within the social problems, we have these 5 types of social problems, like problems of economics, problems of cultural, problems of graphical. Like this, we have the number of social problems. Discuss one by one. Economic factors, economic related social problems, like it play the economic important things, it play the economic role. If the economic is good, then we can able to solve the issue. That is the economic related social problems, like poverty, unemployment, and other kind of things related to the even the business development, production, trade, import, export. That is the economic related problems. That is one type of problems. Poverty and environment is the main important things. And cultural related social problems. So because of cultural reason, we have the number of social problems like dowry and child marriage, juvenile delinquency. So the child doing some crime, under 14, under 18 years, child doing problem, that is juvenile delinquency. Problems of the aged people, like uncare, unconcern, neglecting the aged people, that is the problems of aged people. There are also cultural factors, modern cultural reason, we have this type of issues also. And homelessness and the widowed people, diverse problem, like a widow remarriage, things are not allowed, not practiced some times ago. Now it is people are allowing. Illegitimate relationship, crime, and Devada system, sati. So these are the things come under the cultural related social problem. Because of cultural reason, we have these are the social problem. That is the one type of social problem. And physical social problems, geographical factors for social problems, that is related to the land, or physical means not like a individual physics. So it is the socially physics means the land or the topographic only, that is physical. Okay, like a water resources not available properly, climate change, minerals, lack of minerals, natural things are eradicate, or the kind of things, and sudden floods, sudden earthquakes. This also reason for the, this is also one type of social problems. So there is the geographical or physical factors related social problems. Biological related social problems, because of overproduction, or like a human production, or like a deficient or unfit persons, like some physically disabled, number of people have the handicap means, that also problem for society. That is biological factors. Unemployment, physical diseases, and overpopulation, and sometimes like some uh, animals or some things also, because of overproduction, it created the issue. So recently in our India, the border like Rajasthan and Punjab faced the issue. Some pest used to affect the agricultural things because of overproduction of the particular pest. Okay, so that is a biological factors, biological related social problems. And psychological related social problems, because of psychological reason also we have the issues like not able to keep the mind, like a feeble mindset, psychosis, neurosis, suicide tendency, drug abuse, alcoholism, memory loss, and mental disorder. Because of this also we have the issues. So this is the psychological related social problems. I think we have the different types of social problems are there: economic related, cultural related, physical, geographical related, biological related, psychological related. Like this, we have the different related social problems are there from our society. These are the types of social problems. And other types explained by the case 1964, he explained by 4 different types of problems. Same things, but in his view, something different. That is the problems are rooted with the physical environment, that is the land related problems, and some problems related to the nature or the distribution of our population or the population involvement. Based on that, he divided some problem, that is the distribution of population problem, war population, other things, poverty, all those things. And some problem related to the poor social organization, the poor social setup, the society structure, we have the issues, the third type of social problems. And last one, problems related to the cultural or the cultural values, like a sati or widow kind of things, and dowry. These are the cultural values. Like this case divided the types of problem in these 4 different ways. That is, we have the different types of social problems are there from our society. Okay. Last one, stage in the development and the end of social problems. So how to start and how to end the social problems. So how it is start and how we can end the social problems. Like we have the different types are there. Like Fuller and Mayer said, we have this 4 different way from the start and end the social problems. Okay, so from the starting stage is awareness. When the government aware, when the people aware about the issue, that is the initial stage of the social problem. Slowly, the next stage is the policy determination. So the expert committee will decide and they will plan something. They will create some policy programs to solve the issue. That is the second stage of development and end of the social problem. That is the policy making or policy, some new policy introduced by the government. That is the second stage. And third stage, reform, that is implementation of policy and it reaches the people. That is the last stage of the end of the social problem. Because when the policy introduced and implemented to the people, then we can able to solve, we can able to control the issue. That is the last stage of the social problems. I think we have the 3 different stage of from start and end the social problems. Like awareness, we have a number of things when we are aware, when it affect the people, when people used to discuss, when people used to analyze or ask about others or discuss with others. That is the initial stage of problems. And second stage, policy making, policy determination, and make some policy to solve the issue. That is the second stage. And third stage, implement the policy, reach the people. People used to adopt the policy, people used to get benefit from the policy or the planning. That is the third stage. Like this, we have the 3 different stages. For example, the COVID, when the COVID initial stage, that is awareness, policy determination. Now government of India doing different types of policy to stop the COVID spread. And reform, when number of people are benefited by the government steps, then that is the last stage. That is, we have the 3 different stage by the Fuller and Mayer about the development and end of social problems. And another person, Bloomer introduced in 5 different stages in the development and the end of social problems. Like emergence in the development, the emerging of the social problems, legitimate the social problems, mobilize the social action, formulation of official plan, implementation of the official plan. Okay, these are detailedly explained, but Fuller and Mayer explained only 3 important stages, but he explained the 5 different stages in detail. For example, the emerging problem is that when it emerges, when it slowly starts at its initial level. Next one, legitimate, when government is to discuss, when government is to analyze, aware about that, that is second stage. And mobilize the action, policy making, and they make some policy, that is the third stage. And fourth stage, formulation of official plan, implementing the official or make some official plan with the expert committee. That is the fourth stage. Last stage, implementing the policy, implement to the people to get the benefit and solve the issue. That is the fifth stage, last stage. Like this, we have the different type of stage is there from the start to end the social problems. Okay, this is the different level or the stages government of India doing to solve the social problems. Like this, we have the different stages there, but these are the two sociologists have the important idea about the stage of development and the end of social problems. Okay, that's all. This is the first unit topics. That is the basic of social problems, like introduction, what we mean by social problems, and when it affects the mass people or unfavorable things considered social problems, some definitions, characteristics about the social problems, and reactions or attitudes of the social problems, types of social problems, and the stage in the development, end of social problems. Like this, we have the four different topics from the introduction of social problems.